All right, so today we are going to do an unboxing of the Hyperax RV platform for e-bikes. This is approved for RVs, travel trailers, fifth wheels, and also this was approved for e-bikes, so you get both. I found a lot of difficulty finding one that would do both for my e-bikes. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, once you open the box, you'll get a nice instruction book in there. Very clear instructions on how to put together this Hyperax bike rack. I found it to be very easy. This is the second bike rack that I have purchased from them. I purchased this on Amazon. I will put a link in the descriptions below in case you're interested in purchasing one of these. I have 4 e-bikes. They range around 60 pounds to around 70 pounds, depending if I keep the batteries in. Okay, everything's out of the box now. I laid it out so you can see kind of how it's going to be put together and also what you're going to be getting inside the box. The one thing I liked about this kit is that it has its own lock for the 2-inch receiver. It is threaded, it goes right through the 2 inches, and then it has a little lock. And what I also like about this is the same key that unlocks the 2-inch receiver also unlocks the bikes. One I've seen with other e-bike rated bicycle racks is that they have like 1.25 inches, and then there's an adapter you put in to make it fit your 2-inch receiver. I like this one better because it has the 2-inch receiver and it's all one solid piece. Inside the bag over there, it has all the tools, bolts, and parts necessary to put this together. I hope that you like the unboxing of the Hyperax RV approved and e-bike approved bike rack. If you do, like below, also subscribe and leave a comment.